I wanted to do a real quick video on what I do with my ratchets before selling. As you can hear, some of them they need greased, oiled, cleaned before I sell any ratchet. Just going to give you a quick rundown of what I do before I sell any ratchets. First thing we have to do is get it apart. Once you get that snap ring out, everything just falls in place. Check everything for wear. If it has a lot of wear in it, then it will be put into a parts bucket. Very little wear to that. Carbon choke cleaner, give it a little spray, clean it. It cleans the old oil, any dirt. And you can inspect it real good afterwards. Check all these teeth, make sure there's no nicks. Everything looks good. And spray inside. Clean that out real good. Get all the dirt, grime out of it. See what normally comes out of them. I usually don't take this part out. Usually no need. You just look at it, make sure it's okay. So we're all cleaned up. I use white lithium grease. Some people just use oil. Other people use, as long as it's lubricated, in my opinion, I think you're good. Put some on the pawl. Teeth real good. Put that pawl right in the center. Slide right into place. everything off. Snap it back in place, wipe it off, front and back. This one is ready for use. Ready to use. Alright, there she is, all cleaned up. Sounds real good. Works good. Thank you guys for watching.